Like, I searched so long for this color and I just happened to stumble upon it. Look at that. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, The Life of Alex W. So today's video is going to be really quick. We're going to be doing a couple of swatches of the Morphe Matte Liquid Lipstick. I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys today. I did pick these lipsticks up at Ulta. They were only $10 each. I'm sure you can go onto Morphe's website as well and purchase these. For $10, you really get a bang for your buck. These are very pigmented. They are really true matte. Now, if you want to go here and, make it satin or add like a gloss on top of that, that's totally up to you. Today, I'm going to be keeping this true matte. I'm just going to be pairing these with a couple of lip liners from other cosmetic brands. And that's about it because I really wanted to show you guys like what the colors are giving. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. But first, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Show your girl some love. I am trying to jump into YouTube's algorithm, so help me out, guys. Help me get there, okay? I mean, you've come this far. Let's keep going. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, we have reached the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed these swatches. Let me know down below in the comments which look was your favorite, and as always, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, show your girl some love, and until next time, stay blessed.